Both leadership and management are important facets of a manager's role in an organisation. Both are necessary to work together to create and drive strategy and culture. It has been said that managers do things right and leaders do the right things, so both roles working together means that the right things are done right. There are four main types of leadership and management roles in an organisation. Workers, who create and sell our products and services to customers. Managers, who ensure that planning, organising and monitoring occurs. Leaders, who provide direction, motivation and gain commitment from people. And leaders of leaders, who build platforms for communication, provide systems of solutions and build relationships with leaders so that their solutions are enacted. Every person in an organisation may be required to occupy these roles at different times. However, the higher you are in an organisation, the more time you are required to spend doing leadership functions. There are several aspects of leadership development to consider. First of all, we should consider the personal qualities or emotional competencies that undergird a leader's behaviour. There are 21 identifiable personal traits that a leader can consider for development. Secondly, we can consider which leadership styles we'd like to develop. These styles are directive, where you say, do as I tell you; relational, where you say, people come first; visionary, where you say, come with me; democratic, where you say, what do you think; pace setting, where you say, do as I do; and coaching, where you say, let me show you. Each of these styles has relevance depending on the situation, but some have far better overall effect on the team. We should understand how our leadership style is perceived by our teams. How we intend to operate is often not how people perceive us. In this example, the largest difference between a manager and their team's perception is about their democratic style. This and the other differences in perception gives a manager opportunities for dialogue and development. Our strength in emotional competency drives our ability to operate in a variety of leadership styles, which in turn drives our work climate with the resulting financial performance. Leaders should also be intent on building their influence. There are 6 principles of influence that managers can consider. The principle of reciprocation, where people are obligated to give back to you what you first give them. Secondly, the principle of scarcity, where people want more of what they can get less of. Thirdly, the principle of authority, where people want to follow legitimate experts. Fourthly, the principle of commitment, where people are more likely to do what they commit themselves to do. Fifthly, the principle of consensus, where people do what they see others doing. And finally, the principle of liking, where people say yes to people they like. Managers should consider how each of these principles can be applied in their work situation. Perhaps the most important principle to consider further is the principle of reciprocation. To do this, you should consider the range of things that you can give. These are called currencies of exchange. The types of giving that you can do is through task currencies, to assist people to get the job done; position currencies, by using your position to help people; relationship currencies, by building personal connections; personal currencies, by building a person's self-concept; and inspiration currencies, by inspiring and motivating people. To lead people, a person also needs to display an attractive and consistent character. Leaders also show their character through what they do. Character traits that are important are integrity, which is exhibiting honesty and moral character; reliability, by keeping your promises; fairness, through making unbiased decisions; caring, by being approachable for people to talk to about their worries and frustrations; openness, by not keeping harmful secrets or having hidden agendas; competence, by being excellent in your role; loyalty, by being willing to protect and defend team members when they make mistakes or during times of crisis; listening, by listening to ideas and opinions before decisions are made. We don't lead people simply because we have a certain position. Leadership comes as we begin to influence people through the way in which we help them, the consistency of our character, and the way we conduct ourselves in different situations.